spot, and I gotta rock the most spot. Make sure it's on Facebook so we can get it a lot. I see the running man, I got my dancers coming in, coming through like the Timberlake games that I used to extend probably 93 to 99. Make sure it's fine, shoes that I rock, make sure I shine. Come on, flex, you wanna ride, we can't attack. Make sure my God's not complex, so I can confess. I got a God complex to make sure you stack next. Go.
Put the flow that's off the latch. Forget the running man. You need to do the cabin match. Hard to understand, but the flow, I gotta have it. Yo, I might flip if she do the Roger Rabbit, like for real. Do it so flow, don't play. And it's my man right here, we might do the kid and play. Off the ill house party, don't drink Bacardi. We doing so smooth, fuck the flow like Hardy rhyme, Mr. Plus I still rhyme quicker. You taking pictures? I bet she got a flicker. Page, last day. Matter of fact, while the microphone not black, use lotion, ash A. Nah, to the last day, keep it ill for real. This be the turn of Yogi C, you know me. Most of these cats is boo-boo. Turning for the Rangers, my flow with the range. Your flow is like a double-edged bangers. Drop off words, rhyme mister. Piece of my man, he's the DJ, probably a great digger, that's what I'm though. Hard to understand with the hot flow. Do it so smooth for what it's worth. Yeah, put my CD in your purse.
I do it all for the taking. She did the running man, wish she would just start breaking. Probably try to bust the pop like or a power move, while we try to rock for an hour, dude. She was like that sour fool, I'm not gonna do that. Back up a little bit, been trying to spit it, not being considerate. Trying to be nice on the mic for Adams Morgan Day. Trying to do the rap for freestyle and get more than paid. A lot of people sell out and do more than get laid, so we gotta do them like erasers and get me race, get me placed. The dog probably wants a Triscuit or a biscuit. I can't do it because I'm not listed as a dog caretaker. They might as well keep walking them, but I know if them dogs, I'll probably see them later. They might chase me down and try to bite on my feet though, thinking that I'm just some sort of Robin Negro, but I'm just trying to keep it cool and just do my damn thing. It was like you got your damn swing. I like how your legs look kinda nice to me. I'm thinking damn, my number is 5533. Nope, I'm gonna cut it off. Don't even mention it. Trying to keep this vice rap just kinda listed with a lot of people's minds intact. She was like, I kinda like your rap. She kinda smiled in fact. Got the dog on the leash like, man, I kinda like what you do. It's Sunday when I rap, they say I preach, so we gotta keep it moving and keep it all nice. I'm trying to rock it all night with scotch on the ice. So the ice right on the side as I collide with the words that I provide in the verbs and the nouns prophetic. They call me a teacher with my thoughts, it's kinda kinetic. I have a dog strut that I walk to make sure niggas go. I make sure it's like a criminal with more subliminal thoughts to make sure if it takes through. Like a Newport puff I take, I make sure we make. I see the women with the shades wanna say hey, so I say hey to them, and then they smile and they walk by and stride like the river of the Nile. I see other thoughts and folks provoke like my neon Negro. They call him the boat who's saying he can't run. I guess he's the flame, but he makes sure that the game make sure we're coming for the lane. Got the hands wiggling, moving and talking, so I stop paying attention to him because his words and movements are awkward. I guess sure it's talking, making sure my prophetic words is like something that makes sure I come with verbs. I know she's high and tired, but if you listen to my flows, I cool you down and make it rising. It's like some type of rising. It's kind of like some yeast in the words I say surprising. Surprising like a flasher with a red shirt inside. I gotta like the way the words ride and collide. You catch me on freestyle Adams and flows. I like my man with the soccer shirt with the blue on. I guess he's new on. Or better yet, I like her friend beside her. And look at her, come back, we can talk for a while with mics on, and lights on. I got some lights on.
He had 3 stripes. That joint was from Adidas. For real B, hard to understand. Got the pump like Reeboks. Matter of fact, it's old school. My man hit the beatbox. Matter of fact, you know how we rock. But the L flow, I won't say nothing with Reeboks in it no more. But the L flow, for what it's worth, I used to rock a pair of Converse. And that's truth. Matter of fact, I'm known to get loose. Remember the Converse with the Kevin Johnson React shoes? I used to have them joints. Thought I would conduct, but not really. I was just playing with skills with the ball. I was a punk. But for real though, hard to understand. My name like my dad, and that girl over there got a shirt on named Plaid. How you doing?
And she look bad.
I like the magazine named Mad.
Oh, we're rhyming.